Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your green line problem in your Honor smartphone. You can see when you just click on anything you will see a green line. How you can turn on your device and off just fix your this problem in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open it and swipe by two fingers, then click on one time, and here you have to enter the password like this. You can see it is now open. Tap on one time on settings and double tap to open it. You can see accessibility menu, double tap it, click on accessibility, double tap, click on TalkBack feature. You have to double tap this to open this, and you have to turn off this feature and press OK. You can see the green line issue is solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.